Hi everybody, I'm Chimney Chuck, and today I want to talk to you about gas fireplaces. We sell and install gas fireplaces, and they can be found on our website, cleansweepaa.com. Because we make chimneys healthy, we also worry about what's going on with the environment. And a lot of times a gas fireplace is a good alternative for people that are trying to go green. Gas is less polluting and it's highly more efficient. When you burn a gas fireplace, it radiates heat into your home, and all of our fireplaces come with a blower to put maximum amount of heat into your home. Gas fireplaces are 80 to 90% efficient, meaning most of the heat is coming back to your home, and it's a great auxiliary fuel source for you to augment your existing heating system. So if you're tired of paying high heat pump bills, gas or oil furnace bills, and you're looking for something that is very easy to use, fun to operate, looks very, very real, and puts an enormous amount of heat in your home, maybe a gas fireplace is for you. If it's something you'd like to discuss, please give us a call at cleansweepaa.com or as our website, and our phone number is 410-590-4800. Thank you. I'm Chimney Chuck, and we make chimneys healthy.